and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gell, here to share the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper add-on, and the embellishment add-on. Each one of these gives you a little bit more product for each collection so that your kits can go even further. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. In the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the collections. So none of the cardstock or the pattern paper will be repeats of what you get in your Flavors of the Month. They are completely different. Also, please know that at the time of this filming, it's quite early, so by the time that the kits ship, because of supply and stuff, the names of the cardstock may change slightly, but you will be getting the same color of cardstock. It just might be a different manufacturer or a different name. Starting with Bella Boulevard, Love Grows Here, you're going to get 2 sheets of Tangerine and 1 sheet of Sunbeam. For the Echo Park Ghost and Goblins, you're going to get 2 sheets of Leaf Green and 1 sheet of Grape. For Paige Evans, Lovely Lane, you're going to get 2 sheets of Cerise Pink and 1 sheet of Teal. And for the Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze from Simple Stories, you're going to get 2 sheets of Olive and 1 sheet of Rust Orange. And I leave the pattern paper here so you can see how well they match. Also, if there's something that you might be able to use in one of the other collections. So the next thing we're going to look at is the patterned paper add-on. And with pattern paper add-on, like I said earlier, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. None of these are repeats, they are additional patterns. So starting with Bella Boulevard, Love Grows Here, we have this paper called Grow Together. It's the polka dots in all of the different colors. The back is a teal polka dot. We have this paper, Grow in Grace, and it's a floral print on the pink. And the back is a broad stripe of all of the different colors. For Echo Park Ghost and Goblins, we have this icon paper here with the haunted house, the cats, the owls, the little coffin, and the back is a green geometric print. That paper is called Halloween Night. Then we have a pumpkin pattern with bats and the black cat, and the back is a purple dot. That paper is called Pumpkin Fun. For Paige Evans, Lovely Lane, we have this paper called Full of Love, which is like a quilt pattern. Super cute with the florals in the center. And the back is a broad pink striped with a gold thin stripe. This paper, Through My Lens, it's a square print. It's another one that looks like a quilt. And the back is a grid design in green. For the Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze collection from Simple Stories, we have this beautiful fall floral bouquet. This paper is called Give Thanks. And the back is their paper with all of the ephemera pages and things like that all stacked on top of each other. I love this paper. They usually always do that in their Simple Vintage collections. Then we have a fall foliage paper called Falling Leaves and a diagonal green stripe. So one more look at the patterned paper add-on. Our next add-on is the embellishment add-on. For the Bella Boulevard, Love Grows Here, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So there are several border strips here. We have a scalloped with the green polka dot, the floral, a scalloped pink stripe, a scalloped black polka dot, and the blue polka dot. We also have an alphabet, which is a lot of fun. These little photo corners, word labels. So you have a little bit of everything on that sticker sheet. For the Echo Park Ghost and Goblins, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary among the kits, but these are the ones that I got. And for Paige Evans, Lovely Lane, you're going to get half of the sticker sheet. So these will vary. This is the half that I got. Lots of word labels. And then for the Simple Vintage Autumn Breeze, you're going to get a sheet of the rub-ons. Again, these will vary, but this is the one I got. Super cute with the little fox. And you get a little popsicle stick to help you do the rub-on there. So that is the embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons. Don't forget to check out all the other kits we have available in the store, as well as individual items. There's also past kits. If you want to try one of the other kits, you can just pick up a portion of one of those. Lots of great deals in the store. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges and lots of fun. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.